Gentlemen, so I gotta be honest, one of the tricks that I use to make people think that I'm more stylish than I actually am is I wear all black. It is a scientific fact that if you wear all black, people automatically think that you're more stylish than you are. But it's not just all black. There are other items that if we wear, it will automatically make us look more stylish. And so today I'm going over them 10 items that any guy can wear to look more stylish. Number 1. Bomber jackets are, in my opinion, one of the greatest jackets out there. They automatically make the guy who's wearing them look a lot cooler than he may actually potentially be. The bomber jacket come in all different fabrics, all different fits. This one was super affordable. I got it at H&M for like $30, but they come in leather, they come in suede. Bombers, though, are an amazing lightweight jacket that you can rock that automatically make you look super freaking stylish. Number 2. Motorcycle jackets are, in my opinion, another one of those options that makes the wearer look super freaking cool. It's just got an air of old school, like rugged masculinity that just it's dynamite. Buy number 2 with number 3, which is a cool pair of shades, and you automatically, it's like not even fair to other dudes. You automatically look so much more stylish and so much cooler, so much more like, sexy, super sexy. Speaking of sexy, number 4 is a badass watch. Nothing says F you, I'm stylish, like a badass watch, and it doesn't get any badder ass than this one from today's video sponsor, Vincero. I'm gonna take my jacket off for this one. Here's the deal, guys. In my opinion, watches are the great equalizer. Whenever I see a guy and he's wearing a cool watch, I automatically gravitate towards that watch. If it's something a little bit more refined, something rugged, like this Vincero that's all blacked out that I absolutely think is dynamite, it automatically sets him apart from everybody else. Vincero is absolutely killing the watch game. Like, check this one out. The gold, black face, mesh strap. I love it. This matte black mesh strap. They're just sexy, beautiful watches. And the incredible thing about Vincero, they're not going to break the bank. Another one of my personal picks, white face, rose gold marker. It has a steel case. It's got the brown leather strap. This watch is just beautiful. Whenever I wear this one or the all blacked out version, check it out. I get more compliments on this watch than I do my Rolexes. People are always like, yo, that's a badass watch. What kind? I'm like, it's a Vincero. They're like, oh, super expensive? I'm like, no. They're freaking amazingly priced for the quality. Guys, there's a link down below to go check out this or any of the Vinceros that I personally think are amazing, because the deal is this: they let me kind of go through and they're like, yo, Alpha, pick your favorites. And so I did. There's also a discount on that page if you want to grab one. The price, ridiculous. The style, amazing. It's just got presence, and that's the thing that I love about Vincero. It's not like super minimal. Vinceros don't just like slide under the radar. When you wear one, people notice. They're watches for guys who like wearing watches and expressing their individual style without breaking the bank. Guys, link below, curated collection, grab a discount and grab a Vincero today. The 5th item that automatically will make you look more stylish is a great lightweight scarf. So this scarf, super lightweight. I got it for literally $5 at like the gas station, and it is an amazing accessory for the cooler months. You casually just loop it around your neck. Lightweight scarf is, in my opinion, just another one of those accessories that only stylish guys wear. And it's incredible to layer, to pair, and for the cooler months, you can't go wrong. You can find them super affordably. Look on Amazon or the gas station. Number 6 is suede boots. Suede boots, in my opinion, are one of those options and footwear items that automatically makes the wearer look super cool. Now, if you're somebody who looks on like all the style blogs and Instagram pages, you know how popular suede is this season. And in my opinion, you don't need to worry about like, oh, you got to take care of it and just rock that shit. And if it gets messed up, whatever. They're boots. They're supposed to look rough and rugged. Number 7. Black denim. You can never go wrong by rocking a pair of dark gray or black denim. They automatically make you look super stylish, super cool, and like a sexy, stylish ninja. Number 8, turtlenecks. This season, turtlenecks are going to be humongous, and they're a great option. A lightweight turtleneck sweater is an amazing way to take your style to the next level. They also look incredible when you combine them with number 9. A suit with a bold, rich pattern. Guys, this season, this winter, you're going to see a lot of suits, a lot of heavier weight suits that are going to have just incredibly rich, vibrant patterns. And that, in my opinion, is something that automatically takes your style game to the next level. Like, seriously, how bad, seriously, how badass does that look? Turtleneck, cool, bold suit automatically takes your style to the next level. Number 10, which is a badass ring. In my opinion, but I'm definitely biased, a great signature ring, whether or not it is a Signet ring like this one or something a little bit different. It could be a silver band, it could be black, it can be whatever you want. One ring, not 10. I see dudes like wear like multiple, and it looks okay on some guys, but most of us cannot pull off like multiple rings and thumb rings and pinky rings. Pick one finger, pick one ring. That's it! Now, a ring wearing pro tip is when you like knuckle bump, because everybody's into like knuckle bumps. Whenever I knuckle bump somebody, I've got to like actually shift my hand down a little bit because I've like popped people before and this is very, very painful. But in a fight, look out. You want to be on my side because this will put you M in the forehead. Actually, I've never been in a fight. That's a true story. Guys, thanks for watching. You're amazing. And if you follow these 10 tips and wear these 10 amazingly stylish items, what's up, girl? Hey! Automatically, everybody else is going to be like, yo, Jimmy, the stylish dude. And you're going to be like, who, me? Absolutely.